Hi children, today we are going to discuss exercise 3.5 question number 6. Find the parametric form of vector equation of the straight line passing through minus 1, 2, 1 and parallel to the straight line. R vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap plus t into I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and hence find the shortest distance between the lines. So the given straight line, I am going to take that straight line AB. So the point is what? It passes through the point minus 1, 2, 1. So that point A minus 1, 2, 1. And a parallel to the vector is given. So first we have to consider this R vector equal to A vector plus TB vector. So this is the parallel line, parallel to the straight line. I consider that CD. So that passes through that the parallel vector. So this is what? B vector. So B vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So now we have to find the shortest distance between this line and this line. Okay. So first vector equation. Question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா parametric form of vector equation. So parametric form of vector equation, R vector is equal to A vector plus SB vector. So R vector equal to A vector நமக்கு already தெரியும், I vector minus I vector plus 2j vector plus k vector plus S into B vector value I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So now this is in the form of what? R vector is equal to A vector plus SB vector. So the given line is what? R vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap plus t into I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So now we have to equate this. R vector is equal to C vector plus TB vector, because இங்கேயும் பார்க்கும்போது B vector வந்து சேமாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இது C மட்டும் தான் டிஃபர் ஆகுது. அதனால் ஸோ R vector is equal to C vector plus T into B vector கம்பேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நோ A vector வேல்யூ minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, because இதை நான் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது A vector plus SB vector ஃபார்மேட்டில் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிவன் லைன் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது R vector equal to C vector plus TB vector கம்பேர் பண்ணுறேன். So C vector equal to what? 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. B vector I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. இங்கே கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது அதுதான் வரும். So I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. So அதனால் B vector is equal to what? I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. So already know the shortest distance formula, modulus of C vector minus A vector cross B vector, the whole divided by modulus of B vector. So now C vector minus A vector, that is equal to what? 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap minus A vector value minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. We have to separate this. We'll get 2i minus and minus plus I, 3i, 3j minus 2j, that is j, minus k minus and plus minus k, so minus 2k. So C vector minus A vector value 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So now we need modulus of B vector. So modulus of B vector equal to square root of B, already know. So 1 square minus 2 square plus 1 square. So what you'll get? So 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 6. So modulus of B is equal to what? Root 6. We have to find C vector minus A vector cross B vector. So already you know C vector minus A vector equal to what? 3i plus j minus 2k in cross B vector. So cross போட்டோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Determinant use பண்ணி போடணும். So C vector minus A vector cross B vector, that is equal to, so I cap j cap plus k cap. So C vector minus A vector value 3 1 minus 2 and B vector value 1 minus 2 1. So we have to expand this. Expand பண்ணும்போது I cap எடுக்கும்போது column row neglected. So 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into minus 2 4. So already this minus is the formulas minus. So 1 minus 4 minus j cap into 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So already minus is there. So minus minus plus 2 plus k cap into, so 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 into 1 1. So C vector minus A vector cross B vector, that is equal to 1 minus 4, that is minus 3a cap. 3 plus 2 5 minus 5j cap minus 6 minus 1 minus 7k cap. So this is what? C vector minus A vector cross B vector. But shortest distance, what's the formula? So determinant of C vector minus A vector cross B vector the whole divided by determinant of modulus of B vector. So determinant modulus of 3i minus 5j minus 7k the whole divided by modulus of B vector value root 6. So while taking modulus we'll get square root of minus 3 square value 9 plus minus 5 square value 25 plus minus 7 square value 49 the whole divided by square root of 6. So square root of 9 plus 25 plus 49 that is equal to square root of 83. So square root of 83 divided by square root of 6. So the distance, shortest distance, that is equal to what? Square root of 83 divided by square root of 6. So this is the answer for this sum. Clear?